guys, we are here in San Diego on the Disney Wonder. There was a third kid, there it is. What is your favorite part so far?
Probably ice cream and buffet.
Okay, Reagan, what's your favorite part?
Ice cream and buffet.
Okay, Georgie?
I find it cool that you get a bunch of charms and you get then you can put on a bracelet.
That's right, yeah, here's the charm right here. And here is the port.
Careful.
In San Diego. That's right, don't drop your phone because you won't get it back. Look, there's a plane coming in at the airport.
Hey, look, somebody dropped something.
All right, let's keep going, guys.
Disney Wonder. I can already tell you where the party touch. So, no homework, no chores, none of that for the next 4 days. Who's ready?
Watch. Watch. Keep your hand. 1, 2, 3. Go on. Show me your nose.